So a couple of you in the John Deere Facebook group already suggested that, well, no, you didn't suggest, you told me, and that's okay. That there's a grommet right behind the firewall down there. I was going for that grommet right there. And I cannot get to anything, so I'm gonna see what I can make happen with the one down there under the cab. I just thought since I had so much coax, I would snake it up top of the cab and go in through the back and down and make things happen that way, but I don't know. So I started on taking the headliner down, and you just can't see nothing. There's a grommet right there where I started putting the coax through, and it just stalled right out. So I guess it's time to put this back the way that it was. You had to take these corner pieces off, take the seat belt off to drop this thing. Oh, get the headliner all put back in the correct way. These plastic pieces were a little cantankerous to put in, but we got them. Yeah, so we're getting there, and it's raining. So for those of you wanting to run exterior or wires into your cab like I am, there's a little grommet right there, right by the brake pedal. I'll go ahead and back up so you guys can see the vicinity of the hole, and it's right there. I'm gonna run my cable in there and we're gonna be golden. Okay, so I don't really have the best of places to put you. I know this is kind of a lengthy coax. I don't know, I might go and maybe zip tie it on the back side of the brush guard here, run it in. No. Maybe. I don't know. Oh. I don't know where. Big little slot. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. I can just go up underneath here, just like snowplow wiring. To get any kinks in it. Where does it come out? All right, a radiator. Not too sure that's a good idea. Okay. Let me just go down. Yeah. get rid of the excess. We'll deal with that after we eat it all. Run in the cab and figure out what we need and what we don't need for length. So we got our wire right in the cab, and you can see right there, it comes in right there, right there, okay? So, and then it'll just go into the back of the radio just like such. I'm gonna finish up this CB project. Ran the new coax and we got everything all squared away. So that way the coax wasn't getting itself pinched in the door over there when I try to run the thing through. What I'm gonna do is this little grommet here, I'm gonna take and actually pull this guy out to where I can see what the heck I'm doing. Take my knife. Yeah, because it ain't gonna all fit. That coax is pretty, you know what, maybe I'll just make a slot in it. Put the coax over this way, put the grommet back up in there, and make things all nice and neat again. Okay, so I don't know what you guys are gonna be able to see, if anything. Okay, sweet, I can take and spin this. So what I'm gonna do is just take my knife and ever so easy man, I wish it was a little sharper. Man. I wish it was a little sharper. I gotta get a razor knife. Well, I'm unable to locate a razor knife. That's just lovely. That's just lovely. On second thought, why can't I just force this apart, run my coax through here, and put it back the way it was, rather than cut a grommet up, and then, yeah, I like that idea. I like that idea. So just go ahead and put you guys up over here. I know, it's not the world's most ideal place to put you, but it's gonna have to work. Just because, it is what it is. So we gotta come back out around here. Yeah, why can't I just do that? Yeah, looks like that grommet. Oh, I don't really want to bend that prong. That's for the CB. What would happen if I just took my knife and kind of made it a little bit bigger to get this started? I'm kind of coming up with all kinds of ways to go about this. And I kind of like how this is going. Actually, you know what? It looked like they just took and kind of just spread it apart with their fingers. That's kind of what I'm guessing. To make this a really tight fit. Come on. You're almost home. Come on, don't give up on me now. Aha! There. Didn't have to cut no wires. Didn't have to do nothing. Like that. I really should have a flashlight. But I don't. There, we got that grommet all back in place. Sweet. Actually, I might need to run more wire out. Right there. Actually, I don't know if I like that on that spring. That's gonna get cut eventually. There we go. Okay, I like that. I really do. Oh yeah. And all you do is you just take, ouch, and thread it into the back of the radio. Just like such. Okay. So we got our grommet all in place. The way you can check that is you can come out here, see where the coax goes in. Nothing's tugging, and it's all in place like it should be. It's right there, for those of you that are curious. So I hope this helps somebody that needs to run exterior wires into the cab for whatever reason. All I did, and I will show you, is this brush guard. Sometimes it sticks. I don't know why. Has nothing to do with the cable, because the cable runs, and I did this to keep things clean. I took and I ran my coax down here. Yes, it's, oops, that ain't tight. Why was that tight? I took and ran my coax down along the brush guard here on the inside just for a cleaner look, and I took zip ties and put zip ties here just as a hanger, if you will. So that way, it just kept the coax on the inside, kept it protected, and that way it allowed it to slide with the coax. You can see there's already wires here. I just followed underneath and I just snaked it all up through here. You can kind of tell. Right, what I did is come up right underneath the radiator right there and kind of just zip tied everything around these wires here for the fuses and things like this. And then this is where I ran it down underneath and into the firewall, into the cab, and into the radio. So I hope this video helps somebody in need of where to run exterior wires. Like I mentioned, into the cab from the outside, there's also a rubber grommet on the backside that you guys seen I was fooling around with. It was just easier to go in down by the brake pedal. There's that rubber grommet that can be taken out, wires, the coax or whatever you're doing, ran through there, and wherever you need your cable ran to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did making it. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.